Alright, well, I got a little premature on myself here. I realized putting the brush assembly in, I can't get the brushes over the rest of the starter for the armature. So what you got to do, again, make sure the flat side is facing down. Go ahead, push. We can push those brushes in just a little bit. They'll fit. Come on. There we go. There we go. That's better. Like I said, I got a little ahead of myself there. So now we can go ahead and put our cap back on, line everything up. So let's get that started.